Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today, crypto is recovering. Well, maybe. It could be another false start, but you don't know. I think all the bad news is out of the system. So China has pretty much banned cryptocurrency because they want to make their own cryptocurrency of their own government and not lose control. And some of the other nations are jumping on board, like, El Salvador, South America, some little places like that, jumping on the crypto train, along with Africa and some other third world type countries. But, China, not much I can say about that, other than they're not really thinking ahead. They might not be... They don't want to lose control of their currency, bottom line, right? So they want to try to keep control. We'll see what happens. But I think all the bad news is pretty much dribbled out of this story. And what the good news we have today is, of course, ARK Invest filed for a Bitcoin ETF, crypto ETF. So I know a bunch of companies have done it. Nobody's got approved yet. They keep pushing that decision off to the right. It's going to happen eventually. Then the inpouring of money is going to be huge because people are going to be able to invest in it from their 401k or Roth IRA or Roth account, traditional IRA accounts, stuff like that. More people will have to be involved. They won't have to understand how crypto works. They just know, hey, I'm going to get crypto. It's an ETF. It's a piece of cake, just like every other ETF out there. And they'll be able to diversify into crypto finally if they can't get it. They're not watching my video because I explain it all. So hopefully we'll see how that goes. But for now, it looks like most of these prices are starting to recover. I think all that dollar cost averaging while it was down is going to pay off. Huge. Okay, I wish I just had more cash dump in to it, but I don't. So you can see the total here, up $600. That's pretty decent now. All right, we're doing okay. So as long as the crypto recovery continues to recover and no other bad news comes, I think this is going up. Tell me what you guys think in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe for more crypto updates, as well as the daily options trade and more wealth building techniques from the Investing Money Man. Alright, so since I'm here, I was going to pick up another few CRO, because my quest to stake for free Netflix for life, right? I need $4,000 worth of CRO. Now, with the price target I have of $1 for CRO, no problem at this point. I'll have 10 grand worth of CRO. It shouldn't be a problem staking, getting good interest over in the wallet, get good interest here, as long as you have a nice staked card. So, shouldn't be a problem. So we'll see that price before the end of the year, as long as Bitcoin keeps marching up, hits at least 100K, hopefully higher by the end of the year. We'll see what happens. Alright guys, let me know what you guys think of crypto, Bitcoin, and of course the CRO in the comments below. Be sure to subscribe and smash the like button for this video. We get the word out there on CRO, Crypto.com, and their NFTs. They're pretty cool. If you guys want to see more NFT reviews here, let me know. I've been keeping an eye on them. They've been kind of pricey. They haven't been selling out. So I don't know what the deal is. Haven't been real jazzed with them, but as soon as I see one I like, I'll let you guys know. Alright? So be sure to subscribe for NFTs here at Crypto.com and Vivi. Alright guys, thanks for watching.